Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bully. Today I am going to show you guys how to build an affiliate store using the WP Amazon Shop plugin and WordPress. This plugin will let you search and build products from the Amazon store to make easy money through affiliation and dropshipping. Also, you can import Amazon products right to your online store with a simple configuration. Before we get started, I want to welcome back all my subscribers. I appreciate you all. But for those who are brand new to my channel, my name is Wooly. I create tutorials about e-commerce web design, focusing on user experience using WordPress. Alright, with that being said, let's jump right in. Alright, let's go to our demo store. Go to plugins, click on the add new button on the top, and go to the search box and type WP Amazon Shop. That's the plugin. They have changed the name to Dropshipping and Affiliation with Amazon by Amateur Code Lab. I'm not sure if I pronounced the name of the founder or the company correctly, I'm not sure. And then activate that plugin. Once it's done activating, you will be redirected to the plugin general tab for general settings right here. Before we can proceed with all the configuration, we need to make sure that we sign up for an Amazon associate account or an Amazon affiliate account. My account was just closed out because if you don't make 3 sales within 6 months, they will close down your affiliate account. So all you have to do you have to reapply again by clicking the join new for free, and you have to go through all the forms. Log in over here if you already have an Amazon account with them, or just create a new account right here. After you create an account, you have to go through some of the steps right here to complete Amazon Associates account. Adding your account information right here and click the next button. And then you could add your website right here. If you have an app, just add an app. If not, just click next and then fill out the rest. When you select that, just click the button to go to the next step. And then you have to fill out the form for this page, whatever your website is all about and all the information that they collect. Once everything looks good, you just scroll down to the bottom of the page to select to agree with their operating terms. And then that should be done, and then they will give you a unique associate ID that you will use in the plugin in your website. Click new for the tax information if you live in the US. And then if you have a 2-step verification on right here, you need to send it out to your phone. And then you should receive a security ID or something like that in your mobile. And then just type it right here. And then just click the button sign in. Next, these are the options that you can select how you want Amazon to pay you if you make a sale. At least it has to be $10 minimum earnings. You could pay me by a check or pay me by Amazon gift card or do a direct deposit. I will choose the direct deposit, and then you just fill out all the information right here. where your bank is located and all that stuff. And then once you're done, just click the button below to continue to the next step. And then this is the next step, is for the tax profile that you have to fill out. If you live in the US, yeah, you have to fill this out. And the next one, and the next one about yourself. And this is the final preview, tax information interview right here. You have to scroll down and go through this page to see if your information that you entered is correct, and then just click the button at the bottom to validate everything. Once it's all good, just click the exit interview right there, and then you're good to go. And my store ID is up there. That's just a notification, just ignore it. If you want to read it, just read all of the messages that you got. It's up to you. And next, copy the store ID and go back to your website. Right here, this is a general tab. Make sure you select enable Amazon search globally right there. We are going to do only affiliate marketing for this tutorial. We are not going to go over the dropshipping. And then scroll down a little bit and change the buy now to buy on Amazon here. This is a label for the button of the products that we are going to add to our blog. And if you have a default category down there, you could select something else. Or it's up to you, whatever you want to add buy now label or modify it to something else. It's up to you. Once everything looks good, just click the Save Settings button at the bottom. The next tab, which is Amazon Settings. This is where we want to paste our store ID right there. And then select the country right here. For the free version, you can select only one country, but if you buy a pro version, you can select multiple countries to sell globally. And then click Save Settings once everything looks good. Next, we are going to work on some shortcodes. We will add a couple of shortcodes to our post. The shortcodes are located under the Help menu on the left. They have multiple options for you to choose from. We're gonna test this out. Let's see which one will be working. Let's go to Posts. Let's open that in another tab so that I could toggle between two tabs to grab more shortcodes easily. Just close that out and just add a name of your post right here. In this tutorial, I will use just only the regular WordPress blocks as the editor, but you can also edit with Elementor if you install that plugin. If you use the free version of Elementor, it is a good one too. And let's grab a dummy text real quick for my demo store. So I would have some text and you guys would see how the page will look like when we add some types of elements in our post. And then click the update button on the right. And let's go back to another tab to copy a shortcode. We will copy the search. We will work on the search bar for people to search for Amazon products. So just add right here. You just copy and paste right here, or you can look for a snippet block to add. It's up to you. Even though you use a regular text, it's working too. The shortcode should be working right here. This is the front end of my post. Just type in a keyword of a product that you want to search for. Once you're done, you could press the enter or just click on the search button on the right And here it is. That shortcode is working all right. As you can see, the buy now button hasn't changed to buy on Amazon because I did this before I changed the text. So don't worry about that. Just ignore it. Once you click the buy now button or buy on Amazon button, you will be redirected to the Amazon.com where you could see all the details of the products. Okay, let's go back to the shortcodes page. We are going to use another shortcode that we will add an ASIN in the shortcode to display a single product. You can also add a specific product in your website also, but you need to grab the ASIN number from Amazon. Keep in mind that if your affiliate or associate account hasn't been approved yet, you won't be able to use this shortcode because it will keep spinning, looking for that certain product because your account hasn't been approved by the Amazon yet. That's why it's not gonna work. You need to go to Amazon.com and search for a certain product. Once you pick out a product, just scroll down a little bit to the product information. It's almost at the bottom. And then you will be able to find the ASIN number, or you could find this number in the URL tab, which has so many letters and numbers, but you don't have to do that in the URL. Just grab it right there and come back to your blog post right here and then replace the ASIN in the shortcode right there. Once everything is done, just click the update and let's go to the front end to refresh the page. There you go. I'm not getting any products back, or it can't find the single product at all because I can't use the ASIN number yet. Like I said before, my account is new and it hasn't been approved by the Amazon yet. It could take up to 1 week for me to hear back from them. So that's what I want you guys to be aware of. But for other shortcodes like globally search and for the general products or products with some keywords, for those shortcodes, they will be working just fine. Okay, let's move on to another shortcode that I could show you. All right, let's add another shortcode. Let's add a heading here. We are going to add a shortcode by keywords. Let's go back to the shortcodes page real quick to copy that shortcode. It's right there. And let's go back to the post. Paste that shortcode right here. And then we are going to go back to Amazon.com to search for some products by keywords. So we kind of know that it will be working for sure. And then I will go with pet supplies for cats or something like that, and then just copy those keywords and go back to your post and replace the keywords inside the double quotes right here. Once everything looks good, just click the update button on the top right. And let's go back to the front end to refresh the page. Let's see how it's gonna look like. There you go. As you can see, the products with the keywords are displayed right here. up to 10 products so far. If you click the buy now button, you will be redirected to Amazon.com. So you can shop right there on Amazon.com. Now I just changed the buy now button to buy on Amazon. Next, we are going to change the background color of the buy now button. Right click on the button and select inspect in Google Chrome. As you could see, the CSS snippet is highlighted above and it's at the bottom. We are going to copy that snippet right here. Remember, don't remove the dot. A dot in CSS is an identifier for a class that you could use to access that object. Just record the class as you could see in the video and go back to the settings, paste the class in the custom style tab as you could see right here. And just save the settings right here once the snippet looks good. And I got that hex code for the color from the color palette on my demo store. And let's refresh the page right here. So the button color will change to go with my branding of the demo store. And let's click buy on Amazon and you will be here on your Amazon account. And then you will be able to add this item to your shopping cart. As you could see in the URL box up there, you will be able to see your affiliate store tag ID up there. That means whenever somebody buys these products, my affiliate account will earn some commission based on Amazon's terms and conditions. And that's pretty much it. That's all for today's tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about using the WP Amazon shop to build your online store, and would love to share it with our community. I would love to hear from you guys a lot. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads about e-commerce web designs from me. If you guys find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate your support a lot. If you guys want to support my channel, I add all the links in the description box below for you guys to check out. Alright, thank you so much for being here to watch my video. I wish you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.